Hi, to check safe passwords on your OnePlus Nord 3, we will need to open Settings, then we need to scroll to the end to go in the Google tab, and after that, select Password Manager. So tap the Continue button, and in the password section, you will see all of your saved passwords. Unfortunately, I do not have one, but in your case, you will see the password and the eye icon, which you can tap and check your current password for each of the websites or something like that. Also, we can go in its settings, and here I suggest you to enable this offer to save passwords feature because it is really useful. And also you can enable auto sign-in, password alerts, and here you can export passwords, import passwords, add shortcut to your home screen, and set up on-device encryption. So that's it, how it works. Hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.